Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Chrome and loading the page you want in desktop view. On Android, tap the three-dot menu at the top right. On iPhone or iPad, tap the share icon at the bottom. Once done, look for the desktop site or Request Desktop Site option right in that menu. You're doing this because the desktop layout exposes full menus and features some sites hide on mobile. Now tap that option to initiate the switch and get ready to refresh so the page loads the desktop resources. After opening the menu, enable desktop mode directly. On Android, check the desktop site box in the three-dot menu. On iOS, choose Request Desktop Site from the share sheet. Once enabled, make sure to refresh the page so the browser downloads desktop-specific HTML and CSS. For stubborn pages, long press the refresh button in Chrome to force a full reload and bypass cached mobile resources. This makes Chrome present itself as a desktop browser, which is why servers send the full desktop interface. To finish, inspect the page and interact with the desktop controls you needed. If everything looks correct, you're done. To revert, simply open the same menu and uncheck Desktop Site, or stop requesting desktop on iOS. If the page looks broken, clear Chrome's cache for that site, or use the long press refresh to force a complete reload. This resolves most layout mismatches. Make sure to toggle back when you no longer need desktop view, because some mobile interactions can behave differently in that mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.